It's 13th April 2021 and day is Tuesday. Please ready your page with date, day and classwork. We will learn about positions. See the first one picture. Here in this picture, we can see clouds are here and a kite. Clouds are above the kite. Clouds ऊपर है and the kite is below the clouds. और kite जो है वो नीचे है. Clouds are above and kite is below. See this one picture. What you can see in this picture? Yes, there is a cow and a dog. How we will describe these two animals? The dog is before the cow. Dog जो है वो cow से आगे है and the cow is after the dog and cow is after the dog. जो dog है वो cow के आगे है और cow dog के पीछे है. Are you getting? These are simple concepts. Now I'm explaining positions. Yes, turn your page, page number 94. In this picture, we can see one boy, a board, and a girl. Boy is standing behind the board. Boy is standing behind the board. Board के पीछे boy खड़ा है and the girl is in the front of the board. Girl जो है वो board के front पे है और boy behind. See this one picture. What you can see here? Yes, it's a mouse. Mouse is under the bed and blanket is lying over the bed. Blanket bed के ऊपर है और mouse bed के नीचे है. Far and near. See in this picture we can see a tree and a girl and a building. Girl is standing near the tree. Girl जो है वो tree के बिल्कुल नजदीक खड़ी है and the building is far from tree. और जो building है वो tree से दूर है. This was about positions. Now we will see the topic fractions on page number 41. Students, please ready page number 41. That is about fractions. You will mention date 13 April 2021. In the mid you will write classwork and in this corner you will write day. It's Tuesday. Page number 41 is this one. Same book, it's countdown book. Today we will learn about fractions, whole and half. Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. Look here. It's a whole circle. What you can see here, it's a whole circle. This is a half. A part of a circle is shaded. This part is called half. This is also half. And fraction is a part of a whole. Look here. Fraction is a part of a whole. This is a circle. This is a circle, and in one circle, we have divided this circle into parts. So how many parts you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many parts in one circle? 4. So it is called fraction. Color half of each shape. Now here in this question, we will color half shape. Look, this shape is square and half is in color and other is in blank. So we will color these all shape in half. Start coloring with me. Circle is here. Triangle is here. Rectangle is here. Diamond is here. We have to color only half shape. In half shape, we will color neatly and don't color outside the edge. Yes, like this circle, you have to color half triangle, half rectangle, half diamond, and half long rectangle. Yes. Done, students? Now flip your page and come to page number 42. It's about quarter. Look at this picture. It is divided into 4 parts. This circle is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. So each one part is called quarter. 1 quarter. This is also a quarter, quarter, quarter. This is half. This is whole circle. So it's all about fractions. Today we are learning about fractions. Beta, here on page number 42, look, color a quarter in each shape. There are different shapes here, and these all shapes are divided into 4 parts. For your ease, these all pictures are divided into 4 parts. So you have to color only quarter. So means, I will tell you here on the board. Look, this is a square and this is divided into 4 parts. So now we have to color only quarter. So we will color in 1 part. Any part you can color. Color nicely and neatly, and do not take your color outside this boundary line. Color inside the picture. So you have to color only 1 part. That is called, yes, that is called a quarter. Yes. Same like this square, you will color this long bar, this square, rectangle, this diamond, and this circle. So you will color only 1 part. There are how many parts? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. These all pictures are divided into 4 parts and you have to color only 1 part. That is called a quarter. Yes. After doing page number 42, you people have a homework on page number 43. Have a look on this page, page number 43. Here, different circle and different squares are here, different pictures are here, and half, quarter, whole, quarter, half. These all statements are written here. You have to match these with picture. How? This is a whole circle. So you will match this with whole. This is half, so you will match this with half. This is a quarter, so you will match this with quarter. Look, when 2 parts are here, 2 quarters are here, 2 quarters make half. So we will match it with half. And here, quarter is here, so you will match this with quarter. This is your home task. You have to do neatly. You have to mention date and day. Your one more classwork is here, beta. You have to review chapter 2 shapes. I hope so. You all have done all pages regarding the chapter 2 shapes. This is for your revision. I hope so. You all have done these all pages. So after this lesson. This is your last lesson. After this, we will start revision. So first, I will take revision of shapes. So you have to review chapter 2, that is shapes. ये होल है, ये होल है,
कितना पता नहीं क्या करती है।
ये बताएं मैम को कि आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
क्वेश्चन करना है मैम से।
क्या है? क्या है?
थोड़ा वेट सही हुआ है ना? नहीं हो गए बांटी इसमें तो
If you have any question, please raise your hand. अगर कोई बच्चा कोई क्वेश्चन करना चाह रहा है तो प्लीज आप लोग अपने हैंड्स रेज करें। आप सब लोगों को फ्रैक्शन की समझ आ गई? हमने पोजीशंस को भी गो थ्रू किया और फ्रैक्शंस का टॉपिक भी हमने पढ़ा। सब बच्चों को समझ आ गई? अहमद बेटा, अनम्यूट योर माइक प्लीज। आयशा आसिम बेटा, अनम्यूट योर माइक, अनम्यूट योर माइक प्लीज।
मैम मैंने होमवर्क किया हुआ है।
ओके बेटा, आई होप आप लोगों में से काफी सारे बच्चों ने ये टॉपिक किया हुआ होगा। मैंने कहा एक दफा आप लोग गो थ्रू करें। वेरी गुड बेटा, वेल डन, वेल डन।
आगे 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 पीछे थोड़ा।
बच्चों ने ये टॉपिक आप लोगों ने पहले से किया हुआ है। आप लोगों ने आज शेप्स में देखना है। शेप्स वाला टॉपिक में जितने पेजेस आ रहे हैं आपने उन सबको गो थ्रू करना है, तो आपका उसका टेस्ट लिया जाएगा। ठीक है? जैसे अहमद इस्माइल,
किधर है? मैम होमवर्क क्या है? होमवर्क कौन सा?
पेज नंबर 43।
41 किधर है?
With your class and section in the chat box. Allah Hafiz,